In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the sold out label in Shopify. This simple but important task can enhance your customers' browsing experience and ensure that your store displays only available items. Let's jump right in and take it step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify store's admin page. This is essentially your dashboard, the heart of operations where you manage every aspect of your online store. If you're not already there, you can go to the Shopify website and log in with your credentials to access this area. Once in your dashboard, look for the section titled Products on the left-hand menu. Go ahead and click on it. This will direct you to a comprehensive list of all the products you currently have in your store. Here you can manage inventory, edit details, and take actions necessary for your items. Next, shift your attention to Collections in that same menu. Clicking on this will lead you to a page where you can manage groupings of your products. Collections allow you to categorize items, which is useful for organization and customer navigation. At this stage, identify the specific product from which you want to remove the sold out status. Visualize a customer browsing through your store. You don't want them seeing items they can't purchase. Click on the desired product to open its detailed view. When your product page opens, you'll be able to view and edit its specific details. You'll see a list of items, and for the purpose of this guide, let's pretend we're looking at a shirt called Example Shirt 2. Click on it to bring up the detailed product settings. Now, the crucial part, under the section labeled Available, you'll notice a counter indicating how many items you have in stock. If you want to restock the item and remove the sold out label, change this number to anything greater than 0. This number reflects live inventory, so increasing it signals to Shopify and your customers that the item is available for purchase again. Adjusting this number is a perfect way to manage your store's stock without having to remove the product or create new listings. After you've made the change, ensure that all data entries are saved and refresh your store page to ensure the changes reflect properly. And that's it! You've successfully updated your product inventory and removed the sold out tag. Ensuring your Shopify store updates accurately not only enhances customer satisfaction, but can lead to increased sales as well. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and happy selling on Shopify!